Why do data contracts without enforcement require an enormous amount of manual effort? Think about it. If you're taking a data contract between a producer and a consumer, a producer is going to need to think about number one, how do I actually check to make sure that my constraints are being violated in the first place? If that enforcement mechanism is not there, they're going to have to use tools already in their tool chain and try to reverse engineer them into a data oriented workflow. Those tools are GitHub, Circle CI, Datadog, and so on and so forth. Now, these tools are not actually set up to detect data quality and data contract violations. Is a data quality SLA might be, I always expect there to be 5,000 records between 8 a.m. in the morning and 9 a.m. in the morning. How exactly would a software engineer check for that constraint to make sure that it's still valid, right? It's a very difficult thing to do. And the harder enforcing the data contracts or for the data producer, the less likely they are to actually adopt these contracts in the first place. If you're putting a tremendous amount of work onto the engineering teams and requiring them to constantly figure out how to enforce their own contracts, it's simply much easier to say, I'm just not going to do this work. It's an enormous amount of overhead. It's a burden. I have many other things that I need to do in my day to day life besides making sure that the data engineering team is happy. So, the best thing that you can do for your software engineer is to make it easy for them to enforce their data contracts at the earliest possible point in time.